What is going on, guys, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. I am Terry. Alright guys, I got one that's hard to explain. Now this takes place in Ventura County in California on July the 23rd of this year, 2020, and it's MUFON case number 110377. And what we've got is a professional drone operator who is recording for a client. And when he started recording, he caught something accidentally and didn't realize it until he went back to view his video. But what he did catch was a very large, large, diamond or square shaped UFO, depending on how the object is turned. And also flying around that object are smaller UFOs. Check this out. Tell me what you think, and let's talk about it.
We are launching the drone off the truck, and as I spin around, you will see this object in the back there. That was a bee that just buzzed by. This object I did not see with my own eyes. I did not see this object with the naked eye. This is something that I found in the footage the next day, which is today, scrubbing through, and I have no idea what this thing is. It's moving very slow. At first I thought it was a couple blimps or a speck of dust that bee just buzzed by again, but it's something in the sky at a distance. Now on top of that, there are other objects. I know it's just a little speck, but I'll blow it up in a second and you'll see it maneuver quite radically to the left even after it appears behind this other triangle object. So there it is, bam, and then watch it disappear, and then it'll come back and spin off to the left. So it's obviously in and out of the clouds, whatever that thing is. Now on top of that, there's another object flying in formation with the larger triangle. I don't even know what that is. And of course, that other object's there, so you can see that there's multiple objects. I did not notice any of this at first. This is only when I was trying to blow up the image to get a better look at the triangle object, or whatever it is. That's when I saw these other two objects. So there's a lot of stuff flying around here, guys, and I don't know what any of it is. Okay, and it's not pixelations. These are objects, and it's creepy to me when you see more than just the original triangle. So there we go.
I think this is being misinterpreted. According to the New York Times, the U.S. government has physical evidence of some sort of vehicle made not on this earth. Is it what it sounds like?
Now that was on Fox News tonight. So, right there you have it. Now, could this be one of those vehicles, or could this be coincidental? Can you come up with a rational explanation for what this object could be? Something that humanity has built? I've never seen a square craft before. I could be wrong, but that does not look aerodynamic to me. Yeah, it's flat. Could it float on the wind? If it's light enough, it could. But that is a very large object. It's not flapping in the wind. It is slowly gliding on a parallel course straight ahead. So something is keeping it aloft. And then on top of that, we have got two smaller crafts that are buzzing around this larger one. What could those be? Could they be spheres? Do they look like they could be spherical or circle, like the crafts that we've seen before, the videos before, where the airline pilots catch them as they whiz by? What do you think about that? Could they be scouts for this craft to go ahead to see what's going on, see if there's trouble? You know what I mean, just like an escort. So definitely strange, definitely odd. I think something's coming, guys. I think it's coming soon. Disclosure is right at the doorstep. We've got the news telling us UFOs are real. We've got the government admitting to things. Guys, I think they're about to come clean, and we're going to know the truth. Like they say, the truth is out there. The truth shall set you free. So I guess I'm going to wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But this is a strange one, And I believe that it comes from a reliable source. I get the feeling, that this guy was being honest about what he said he was doing, and this happened to catch an object. How many of y'all, when y'all walk outside, your eyes are up? Because when I go outside, my eyes are always on the sky. My wife's like, what are you looking for? I don't know. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I hope I see it. All right, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and donate if you can. This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.